Citizens uploaded Kadom Terang PMAC for her selfless service in art filling for easy commute at Sarupathar. Dongmukak Press Club expressed their displeasure over the remarks made by Kangbura killing EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council towards press corps. 4 quintals of marijuana recovered by police department at Bokajan on 20th of November. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 20th of November, citizens of Sarupathar constituency applauds Kadom Terang PMAC for her generosity bestowed upon her people. It was reported that Sarupathar constituency is one of the most deprived constituencies in terms of development among 26 constituencies under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Many representatives from the constituency had been inducted into the CM's cabinet, yet deprivation from all sort of developmental atmosphere remains the same. But newly elected members of Autonomous Council MAC stepped forward and directed to refill the art on her own. The visual of the RCC bridge you see here, located at Paklangso No. 1, had came into limelight earlier in electronic medias as well as in print media. But the matter was suppressed due to passivity of the then representative of the region. But without any funds allotted from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the present representative of the region MAC turned her words into reality by fulfilling her promise given to her people. She had directed to initiate refilling the art around the corners of RCC bridge at Paklangso No. 1 and it's expected to be completed within a couple of weeks. Citizens informed that the communications of people from one side to the other would be very easy once the art filling around the bridge is completed. The villagers would no longer have to use the old life-threatening bamboo bridge to cross the river. Also informed that they do not ask nor expect much from the government, but would be very grateful if basic necessities like road, bridge, electricity, drinking water are provided to the citizens. Adding a note to that, the citizens of Sarupathar appeals Dr. Turiram Ronghang led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council government to pay heads towards Sarupathar constituency and complete all the developmental projects one by one in the days to come. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. On 19th of November, Dongmukak Press Club called for a press conference to express their displeasure over the defamations and disrespectful remark made by Kangbura killing EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council towards press corps. This came into light after an audio clip of conversation between Kangbura killing EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with a journalist was leaked and went viral on social media. Therefore, various press clubs across Karbi Anglong condemned his defamatory remarks made over the press corps. Therefore, Dongmukak Press Club DPC expressed their dissatisfactions during a press conference called on 19th of November. They had demanded for clarification and evidence as on what basis were the press corps being compared with to a terrorist.
Non-malum, you see, audio clips, viral the tap, alam thebangke, EM Kangbura killing, alang li hinpen, kerang kia tu fan, kiputot, pen karbok tap, lamang so alam thebutak, ini tum sampai charjulong si ning tupik lo, tema alang li hinpen kipudam la son lo, media tum anke teroris atuma sonsi nam cyclone bomb lamang so putak kini jepon to ko posini tum ning tupik lo.
They had said that comparing the entire press corps with the terrorists due to one or two individual-based journalists is totally unacceptable. And the clarifications you had given earlier is not satisfying as it was invaluable.
Non nang li lam ni chok chi det lo aposi ni tum nang li kidu dun bom mate nang li yemang hoi kang ni dun bom la council hum phanta ni tum ki pon rapeji la poson ki tum la bang ni tum chok chi sonda thaksi nang li ta ini bahini fan kipu kang tunga joini tai mini pen ang to na perang ke fan kini je pon ke chok chi pen ahlo nang li atu melom lam klar ta me nang li chipilo Bang sampai lah solam kelar ke cipi kene tu mal asap nak tain tu meninggal sama tidak. Ati nang li rong rogi juya son tak sih nang li lam kelar ke cipi son sini tu tek long.
Dongmukak Press Club apprised Kangbura Kiling EM to change his attitudes toward the press corps and school him over the start-up of media house of his own.
Ning masing samse ning duk cepak lang lo athe nang li inut KAL Autonomous Council long EM ang hoi kangi abang pulutang te lapuson kandidat nangji athe nang li kedam tang same lam kal ka chipi do ta hai po bon si tame la ko puthak long lam kal ka chipi ba ni tum ning masing samse nang li rong rogi jui ason si nang li kanengje.
There are executive members of KAL Autonomous Council who are serving for more than 3rd to 4th consecutive terms, yet there had not been even a single controversy with the media fraternity till date. But the controversy of disrespected and defamation against media fraternity by Kangbura Kiling EM came into limelight in his first term.
KAL Autonomous Council long EM kikitang batai po terok kikitang tum tab dolo tab boy pis tame lapuson nilitum perangkie tumpan nangkelang plot nangki pusit lapuson itu cajulong lepin lang.
Sam Singh Inti reports from Dongmukak for KAL Live. On 20th of November, during early hours, an intel of peddling huge quantity of marijuana was received by the police department. Hence, police set up a check post and intensified its checking at Khatkati. According to reports, police department along with 20 battalion CRPF jointly conducted a search operation at Khatkati after an intel of peddling huge quantity of marijuana was received. During the search operation, a truck bearing registration number UP14807851 was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit contraband with them. The truck was rigorously searched and recovered as many as 4 quintals of marijuana from their possession. 2 people were arrested in connections to this case, and they were identified as 52 years old of Ramayan Yadev, son of Tulasi Yadev from Chitkundi, Ara Bhojpur district, Bihar, and 55 years old Bhola Yadev, son of Kailas Yadev from Moshar, Ara Bhojpur district, Bihar. It was informed that the contraband seized were destined to Bihar. All the contraband seized were taken to police stations, and SDPO John Das EPS would be monitoring the investigation. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.